did like 3 hours of homework. My brain is actually fried. I'm in need of some caffeine, so let's go grab a Diet Coke. Large Diet Coke, please. Thank you. I go eat dinner and then start getting ready for bed because I'm actually so tired. Where all my products run out at the same time.